Glioblastoma is an incurable brain cancer that kills about 15,000 people each year. Even with the best standard of care, the median survival time is only 11 to 15 months. However, a British man survived for nearly 7 years after being diagnosed in 2014. He rejected the standard chemo and radiation therapy and instead adopted a ketogenic diet. The patient used the glucose ketone index calculator to maintain his glucose ketone index near 2.0 without body weight loss. A ketogenic diet avoids any carbohydrates and instead replaces them with fat. This starves the tumor by depriving it of glucose, which is highly important for the growth of malignant cancers. After having a large portion of the tumor surgically removed in 2017, he continued his keto diet and his cancer showed very slow progression as a result. He is still alive with good quality of life as of 2021. This provides a useful case study for researchers to study the benefits of using the body's own metabolism to fight and slow cancer.